Alright, you know who was the black president in the United States the other day?
Who was the what?
The black president.
Donald Trump.
Yo, me a forward. Who are going peeps that don't know your boy Jnel and welcome to our next episode of The Question, which is episode 5. And right now we're back in Old Habour, you understand? Yo, we are forward. No bother with that, man, we are forward. You see me? So right now peeps, I can see the people are calling me and things, so we have to go shoot off same time. Right now, I'm out. Oh, whoa, hold on. I say I'm out when at the end of the video, so I'm in. I'm gone. First thing more I do, just give me a name.
Tiana. Chelsea.
Smedley James.
Jardine. Delroy.
Yeah, my name Joshua, for the item.
Delva.
Colin. Redman, my name.
Shane Allison.
My name Vincent Darby.
Shamar. Leroy.
Brandon.
My name Roddy.
Gary.
Aaron.
This one, yeah, my boss. What is Obama last name?
Obama.
What's Obama last name?
Don't ask me.
Obama. Obama last name?
Yeah.
Obama is his last. Barack Obama.
I don't know that one.
I don't know Obama.
No Obama.
Yo, I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah, I don't know.
Obama last name.
Yeah.
You know, so I'm too fancy of them things if you really can.
You're not fancy them things?
Yeah, if you really know what it is.
Obama.
Obama. That me no remember, you know. Me not go tell her no lie.
What bother with that, man?
No man, me serious. Me no
You say, you remember that?
No sir, me not tell her no lie. For me not really focus on Obama. A wicked man that.
Think about it, man. You know the black president?
Barack Obama.
Eh?
Barack Obama.
That's why I ask you, what is Obama last name?
As I said before, I don't quite remember.
But they just say name a while again. So I ask you, why my last name?
Oh, it's a tricky question.
Yeah.
Oh, so it must be Barack then.
Obama last name.
Yeah.
Obama. You say Obama man, no Obama in last name.
Yeah, man. What is Obama last name?
Barack. Obama. Is his last name is Obama.
Catch myself, no. Catch myself.
What is Obama last name?
Why, me I tell you, them say must something about Barack and Barack or something.
Eh?
Why I don't remember, you know?
Think about it, man. What is Obama last name?
Must Bama.
Eh?
I must Bama.
Obama.
Bama with the Bama.
What is Obama last name?
But them call him Barack Obama, what?
No!
Barack Obama. Me don't know him last name. I don't remember him last name.
You remember, man? Actually, you know what I say it, you know? What is Obama last name?
I can't remember him name, man.
Try remember, man.
What,
Give up, say.
Obama, what?
Eh?
I can't remember his name. Barack Obama, his name something like so.
Yeah. So what's Obama last name?
Then ain't man. Barack Obama, man, no same name.
Yeah. I say him name, but what is his last name?
No, him last name.
How can I leave a room with 2 legs and come back with 6?
Should have done that, man.
That can. You'll 6 and come back with 6.
Yeah.
Now say you come back with 2 legs here.
Carry a couple of bridges now.
Yeah, man, that can't work, man. Don't worry yourself, man. That good, don't good. Yeah, carry a couple of bridges, so it's going to end up have 6 in a room.
Bono.
What do you mean?
That Bono, man,
Yeah,
you can't
up
carry
here.
chair bridge in them in one
top.
room.
Eh?
Can't carry chair bridge in them in one room. That Bono, man.
You say that Bono?
Yeah.
So what do you think of the answer then?
Carry 2 girls in the room.
Man, nigga.
Can me leave a room But I can't answer that one there, no, brother. I don't have to go think about that one there.
Think about it, no man.
No, man, I can't think about it now, because I'm up on work.
Impossible, man.
Impossible.
Yeah, man.
Oh, can leave a room with 2 foot and come back with 6. You can leave a room with 2 foot. First man, you don't want this still, innit?
Yeah, man, it's possible, man. Think about it.
Oh, can leave a room with 2 foot. I don't know that one there.
Yes, sir. I don't know one.
No.
I don't know that one there, sir. I don't know that. Leave room with 2 foot and come back with 6. And I see have 6 foot, I don't know. Say it again.
How can you leave a room with 2 foot and come back with 6?
Can't work out.
Two other person?
How can you do it?
Leave a room with 2 foot and come back with 6.
Leave a room
Yeah.
with 2 foot
And come back with 6.
and come back with 6? A room with 2 foot and come back with 6. That puzzling.
Eh?
That puzzling.
Don't know that.
A room in 2 foot and come back with 6.
Yeah.
Because 2, 6 are 12. See?
Yeah.
So take away 6 and 6. You left 6.
Yeah.
See? So if you add 2, 6 are 12. So you say you get 2 foot and come back with 12, come back with 6.
Leave a room with 2 foot and come back with 6.
Yeah.
Leave a room with 2 foot and come back with 6. Leave a room with 2 foot and you come back with more people.
How can you leave a room with 2 foot and come back with 6?
You must scorpion.
No. 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 Hell no. 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 I refuse. No. No.
Nah, man. You leave a room with 2 foot and come back with 6.
Yeah.
One the kind of puzzling. A room with 2 foot and come back with 6. Must a table, car a 4 foot there on the table and you go around and make 6.
Hold on. Oh, you left a room with 2 foot and you come back with 6?
Yeah.
Well, it depends how you left it and you come back. So, that the foot there you have to try balance that one there. If you know the boy you come back with the next with 6 foot.
Yeah.
That means is that woman in the house with man, some of 6.
What runs around the whole yard?
Huh?
What runs around the whole yard without moving?
Why run the whole yard?
Yeah.
What
What run around the yard, man? I no move.
yard, brother. I'm here move. I'm here run around my yard.
Grass or weed. Milk weed, stubble weed them.
What that now? Aye. I was running the whole yard, I never move.
Come on, run around the whole yard, man. I never move.
But I'm just say, it current a light, you know?
Eh?
The current.
It runs around the whole yard without you moving.
Yeah, shit.
Listen, boss, you want to give me the answer? Come in, man. What runs around the whole yard without even moving?
Without moving? What run around the yard without it moving? What run around the yard without it moving? The wind? The wind? Boy, if you don't get
Run around the whole yard without even moving.
grass. Runs around the whole yard without moving. The yard. Yard.
Yeah.
What runs around the whole yard without moving?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
It's sun.
The wind. The wind.
We don't move, run a yard.
Yeah, what run around the whole yard, you know, without moving.
Next shadow, man.
Run the yard without moving.
Without moving none at all.
I'm on foot.
Eh?
You on foot?
I don't know.
Why?
What run around the whole yard, man, without moving, man?
Why I can't tell you one day?
Think about it, man.
Christmas?
That one they hard.
Yes, sir.
That one they kinda hard.
Hard. So you say, I try again, or you want me to give the answer? What runs around the whole yard without moving?
Give me the answer.
You say, you want the answer? No offense, man.
Oh.
Yeah, peeps, thanks for watching the next episode of The Questions, which is episode 5. I don't know in our all about. So peeps, watch now. You don't know where I go move. So like, share, and also subscribe. After you subscribe, click the notification bell to get notified after every upload. Follow me on Instagram, Jnel official_1. That's JNEL official_1. Follow Buhn behind the camera. That's BUHN_reactions. You don't know your boy Jnel. We're in all about. You say the close boss. And I'm out.